Most people jump into building a beauty salon website and end up with something that doesn't attract clients. The surprising truth is that using Squarespace incorrectly can cost you bookings and revenue. Today, we'll cover how to set up your salon website properly and avoid beginner mistakes. First, pick the right template. Squarespace offers many templates, but beginners often choose one because it looks pretty instead of functional. For a salon, prioritize templates that highlight services, allow online bookings, and display staff profiles. A clean layout with visible call to action buttons converts visitors into clients. Next, set up online booking correctly. Squarespace integrates with scheduling tools, but many beginners skip setup or linking correctly. Make sure clients can book specific services, see staff availability, and receive confirmation emails automatically. Failing to do this can lead to double bookings or frustrated clients. Highlight your services and pricing clearly. Many new salon websites list vague services like hair treatment without details. Specify the type of service, duration, and price. This reduces confusion and builds trust. Include before and after photos if possible. They are highly persuasive. Optimize for mobile. Over 70% of users search for local services on mobile devices. Beginners often neglect mobile layout, making buttons too small or pages slow to load. Squarespace automatically adapts, but check mobile view and make adjustments to images and text. Use SEO basics. Many salon owners ignore search engine optimization. Add meta titles, descriptions, and alt text for images. Include location keywords like hair salon and city to improve local search visibility. A properly optimized site attracts clients without paid ads. Finally, integrate social proof. Add client reviews, Instagram feeds, or testimonials. Beginners often overlook this, but seeing happy customers increases trust and booking rates. In short, to use Squarespace for a beauty salon properly, choose a functional template, set up online booking, list detailed services with pricing, optimize for mobile, add SEO, and integrate social proof. Avoiding these beginner mistakes turns your website into a client-generating tool. Subscribe for more tips on building professional websites that actually grow your business.